And on this end, I mounted a speaker. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to play some sounds to the speaker, and it's going to send some waves all the way there and all the way back. They're going to resonate and set up some standing waves. We're going to be able to see those standing waves because they're going to be on fire. There's a propane tank hooked up here. Let's light this up. It might be running propane.
Oh my God.
Let's see if we can get this thing lit up pretty good. There we go. Can you actually see the waves?
Yeah.
Antinode. The waves are moving back and forth so much they're forcing the flames out the tube. Here are the nodes. Air isn't moving that much at all. It's not making a very big waveform. So we're actually, again, able to see sound waves with fire. Hold on. It gets better.
If we all feel
My phone can't record anymore. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Ozzy Osbourne on fire.
Oh my God, I love this class.